Hey y'all, what's up? It's Kirsty Petrie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about braiding hair. We're going to talk specifically about how to stretch your braiding hair. Now there are several different methods. I'm going to show you two of my most used methods that I use whenever I stretch my braiding hair. Before we get all into the good stuff, do not forget, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, and like this video. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
For my first method, you're going to take one packet of regular braiding hair. It's blunt at the ends, as you can see. You're going to take one end of that braiding hair and hold it in your hand. You're going to take your other hand and begin pulling at the strands one by one. This gives you flexibility and a little bit more freedom in how you can stretch the hair, and it allows you to pull at your own pace. So this is a pulling method. We'll call that a single strand pulling method. As you can see, you'll be able to pull each strand one by one, and this is going to allow a nice natural taper at the end of your braiding hair. Once you've finished pulling, you'll know you're done when the end begins to look like this, tapered. Okay, you're going to take your paddle brush or Denman brush and begin to comb out that end, and look at that. It should be flawless, no tangles. Once you comb out the end, you can begin combing out the rest of the hair, and it will make it nice and even. You can see how it began bunching up from all of the pulling, but once you run the paddle brush through your braiding hair, it's going to smooth it out and you'll be left with stretched braiding hair. You see that? Looking like a bundle. I recommend splitting your hair in half and doing it section by section. If you do it in one big chunk, you're likely to have uneven ends popping out at the end of your braids, and you don't want that. The second method that I use for stretching my braiding hair is to grab the braiding hair by both ends and begin to pull at it evenly. You're going to kind of leave the hair loose so you can pull it and stretch it. Grab it in the middle, and then you can look at what you've done and determine if you need to pull even more. This is the stretching motion you want to do. You kind of want to spread the hair between your fingers and then pull. So spread the hair between your fingers, grab it at both ends, and then you're gonna begin pulling. You want to leave the hair kind of loose in your hands so it's, uneven. Once you've stretched it to your liking, you're gonna take your paddle brush, start at the ends, and you're going to untangle the hair from those knots and take a look and see if the hair is stretched and tapered evenly. As you can see, it is. Now, holding it up like this, you'll be able to see any blunt ends that are still in there. Pop back in there with your paddle brush or your fingers and pull at the uneven ends. These are my two most used methods for stretching my braiding hair. I love them, and they can be used for any type of braiding hair. Comment down below and tell me what type of methods that you like to use when stretching your braiding hair, and let me know if you've tried either of these methods that I've shown you today. If you guys want more braid tips, follow me on my Instagram at kirsty.petrie. Until next time, stay channeling the beauty within inside of you.